Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Hey, what's up guys? I am in Paris right now in my hotel room, and I have a gorgeous view of the city. Right there is the Eiffel Tower. So I'm tired, I'm gonna get some rest, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, what's up guys? I just woke up and about to go meet some friends at in the lobby and then explore city. So let's have fun. Alright, ready? Let's go.
So, what's the plan?
Okay. Exactly, yes you can. Carla's being a tour guide right now. She's a local. Hanging out with some crew members in beautiful city of Paris. What are you thinking? What are you thinking right now, man?
I'm thinking it's amazing.
One of the beautiful things about this job, isn't that right, Nick?
Right.
And Nick and Carla. The Notre Dame. Alright guys, we are walking along the side of the Notre Dame. You can see the damage. And as you can see, they are slowly restoring the damaged part of the Notre Dame. When in Paris, buy pastries. Some macaroons, lots of different desserts. Looks really, really good.
So I'm gonna go with this.
These are the best cookies in Paris. At a grocery store, find it anywhere. It's really, really good. Right behind me is the Eiffel Tower. Hang out with two crew members, Carla and Nick. We've had a good day so far, and now we're just gonna have some wine, eat some chocolate cookies, and just enjoy the view. Alright guys, we're making a little quick pit stop right in front of the Eiffel Tower. We're stopping by La Carousel de Tour Eiffel for some grapes. And right in front of us is the Eiffel Tower. Woo! Beautiful weather, great day, great company, equals really, really good trip. Carla, what are you doing right now?
Eating the crepe!
Where?
In front of the Eiffel Tower!
Woo!
Dude, you gotta try this crepe.
Come on, Nick!
Nick, come on!
Mine. So
How is it?
it's so
What do you
good.
think?
So good.
Now, what flavor did you get?
I got Nutella, strawberry, and banana. So
Ooh,
you
how is it?
Try it. So
I should try it.
you need
should.
to try it. Try it.
I'll take a bite.
Take a bite.
All right. I will take a bite right now. I'll go right here. Very good.
So you're like
Oh, shit.
almost done. Like,
It's some
what did I say?
muy rico.
You like the
C'est
huh?
bon. So delicious. Really, really good. Eiffel Tower in the background. Got the river right here. I mean, beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, like 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Beautiful, really good. Got the nice breezes of the wind. Absolutely gorgeous day. Oh, this is a good shot right here. Alright guys, we went to see the Notre Dame, we saw the Eiffel Tower, had some wine, had some good conversations, and now we're having dinner at La
coincidence.
There's the menu.
Ribeye steak.
Nick got ribeye steak. And Miss Carla got the sea bass. This looks so good. Very good. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching this video, this new vlog of mine. Thank you for following me on my adventure from the time I boarded the aircraft on a 777-200 to spending the entire day in Paris, France. Today was awesome. The weather was great. The food was amazing. The Eiffel Tower was beautiful. Here is one last view of the Eiffel Tower. Good night, Paris. Good night, everybody. And I will see you next time on my new vlog. Catch you guys later, and good night. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.